Good morning, guys. We're on our way to CVS drive-thru, and so far the traffic has been pretty good on the road. But yeah. We're gonna charge the camera right now since we didn't charge it last night. So I'm gonna put it on pause. Give me a second. The battery was good. Go back to you. So I want to put some gloves. So for now.
Alright, go ahead and pick up the clutch back and have your green stripe up there. And then you're going to take out the vial, the rubber band. So yeah, the vial, the rubber band, and the swab. It's already one step together.
Open this.
Yep.
Okay. The rubber band.
Don't rip it.
Okay.
Open it to that. There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
So.
Okay, make sure your name and date of birth is current on the vial.
Mhm.
The vial you're going to need for later, so you can put that aside.
Okay.
Just the cotton swab is what you need right now.
Unwrap this.
Yep, that's the cotton swab. Yep. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and insert that into the drive nostril first. You're going to insert about an inch, rotate it twice, and leave it in for 15 seconds. You're going to do that to both.
I'm not gonna do it to my throat.
Not your mouth, your nostril.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So put it in.
Yeah, so you insert it in about an inch.
Okay. And leave it there for 15 seconds.
Uh-huh.
This is scary. Okay.
Alright, go to the other side.
To the other side?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead and break the swab in half. That way it'll fit into the vial. So break the swab in half first.
Break it in half?
Yeah, break it in half.
Okay.
And then uncap your vial, so take the cap off. Be careful, there's liquid in there.
Put it in.
You're going to insert that in. And then you're going to go ahead and seal it up, make sure it's sealed up tight. Alright. Go ahead and put the vial back into the bag, the clutch bag. You're going to seal it up and make sure the air is out.
Okay. Close it. Put it in the bag.
And then seal it up. And roll it up and put the rubber band around it.
The rubber band?
shit.
Roll it up.
Oh.
Yep.
I would have to look for the rubber band because I don't know where I put it. Oopsie. Well,
Here, I'll give you another one. That
thank
way.
you. Put it back on. Okay. Oh, thank you. Roll it up. Okay. The wipe. Okay.
Wipe me.
I'm gonna wipe the bag.
Yeah, wipe down your lap bag.
Okay. And after that, what do I do?
The lap bag. Your lap bag, the press bag, these are wiping.
Oh, I'm grabbing this one?
Not that bag, the press bag.
The Quest, that's the Quest bag.
Yes, you wipe that bag.
Okay.
You wiping the wrong bag.
Oh. Okay.
You wipe the lid off of it too.
Okay.
You can put yours in there.
Okay.
Alright.
So all we need is just the lap bag. The press bag is all we need. So this, you're gonna put it in here.
Oh, okay.
Here.
That's all you need.
Just that.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. You're good to go. Just check your email and activate your My Cart.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right. So here we are. We just finished the self-initiated nose swab. It wasn't easy, but we'll talk more when we get home. Hi guys, so I finally returned home and I'm just anxiously waiting for my result. So according to CVS, the person who helped me through drive-thru, she told me that the result's gonna take 2 to 4 days and it's going to be on my chart. So make sure when you're like waiting for the person to hand you over testing kits, just download my chart on your phone. So this is how you're gonna find out the results of this whole testing thing. So it wasn't so bad, but putting the whole swab into your nostril, in your nose, it wasn't pleasant. Would I do that again? I guess if I became very worried about my situation, I would definitely do it. So the whole process, actually, I was in the car for 50 minutes in drive-thru. Basically, I waited maybe like 45 minutes because the cars in front of me, they're just a lot and it probably took a long time. I actually tried to check out like the people in front of me. I think they're elderlies, so probably they weren't used to like mobile phone access doing the app setup thing, and also like the whole testing process took a little longer than expected. That's why it was a 45 minutes wait for me. So after I got home, I checked out the paper, this stack of paper they gave me in the CVS bag, and I wish that lady on the other side of the window had told me like to actually get to this page. So actually they have a really good graph showing you how to do the nasal swab properly. Okay, so on the second graph it says, using gentle rotation, push the swab straight back into nostril, approximately 1 inch. I have to tell you, I sneezed once or twice in the video. It wasn't pleasant. It was really hard to breathe when you had the big swab inside your nose. I don't think I reached 1 inch because it was so tough. But I hope the result came back as negative. To be honest, I'm not sure how accurate this whole thing is because I'm not a professional. I'm not sure like the proper technique of getting this done. I'm not even sure if the length I put inside my nose is the correct way of doing it. But anyways, as for now, I don't have any symptoms of COVID-19. I don't have shortness of breath. I didn't have any coughing, no fevers, nothing. I just wanted to get myself checked out so I can be like, oh, okay, I don't have this COVID-19 thing with me. But anyways, this is my experience with this drive-thru testing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please go ahead and leave me a comment. Thank you. And I'll definitely do a video, like a follow-up video of how everything turned out to be when I got my result from my chart. Stay tuned.